The Food Service Exchange presents.
The Magic Chef Countertop Ice Maker in silver has a sleek and compact design, which can be placed almost anywhere with an outlet, making it the perfect companion for entertaining. True to its size, this ice maker is easy to move and requires no installation or direct waterline access. By making up to 27 pounds of ice every 24 hours, it'll easily keep your ice bucket, beverage pitcher, or punch bowl filled with a continuous supply of ice. The ice making process is easy. Simply add water into the reservoir and select the desired ice size to make ice in as little as 7 minutes. Choose between small and large round ice sizes to pair with just about any beverage. It can conveniently hold up to 1.5 pounds of ice at any time. With 9 ice cubes produced per cycle, the streamlined digital control pad indicates when the removable ice basket needs to be emptied, or when the water reservoir needs to be refilled. Use the energy-saving viewing window on top of the lid to check the ice level at any time. Unused ice cubes automatically recycle back into the water reservoir for reuse, or dispense into the built-in drain cap. An ice scooper is also included for effortless serving or transferring of ice. You'll never be without an ice-cold beverage on a hot summer day again.